What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you see by the bag that's to my left to your right, and by the title and the thumbnail, of course, you already know what we're talking about, man. This is my first pair of off-whites. Let's go ahead and check these things out, get a detailed review. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe in the comment section below. Before we get to the video, of course, you know what you got to do, man. Smash the like button, share the video so more people in the universe can see your boy Bossco. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this bag, you dig? Now, for those of you who have off-whites or are very familiar with this box to you is nothing new. This is something new to me, and I think it's dope. It's the actual Nike box flipped inside out with just the Nike swoosh on the box right here, like embossed, you know what I'm saying? Kind of glows or shines, whatever you want to say. Very dope thing. I like the idea of the inside out box. As you can see, the Nike information is in the inside. I like that, man. Of course, you know, they got this off-white, the Nike information, the shoe box, Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 2017. Off-white paper on the inside of the shoe. You know, this is stuff that is new to me, but I'm sure you sneakerheads out there and hype beasts alike know all about this shoe. This thing is fire, man. And like, let's see, I went to Undefeated one day. My boy actually told me just to go down there randomly and try out for the raffle, because I didn't even really know about the raffle at the time. I have been going to Undefeated lately. That's where I got my Adidas Consonium 8 Atos collab boost. I got those from there, as you guys see, as well as my Justin Timberlake, the JTHs, the 3s. Let me know what you guys think about those videos and the video of me getting these shoes. I luckily lucked up and won the raffle, but it wasn't for where I filled up the raffle ticket or where I got my raffle ticket. Like, I got my raffle ticket in La Brea, the Undefeated on La Brea, but I won in Silver Lake. So had to go to the Silver Lake location for the first time ever, which was not hard getting there. It was not too bad for parking. The line was crazy. I don't know if you guys saw the last video. It was around the store. They had 2 lines, one for 9 a.m., one for 10 a.m. My email was for 10 a.m. I was just super juiced to be able to get my hands on these and review them for you. I'm pretty much sure that these will not stay in my possession due to the fact that I got things I got to take care of, and this can just help catapult the rest of my sneaker adventures, you dig? But without further ado, let's go ahead and check these shoes out. If you haven't seen them, if you have seen them, this is my first take on these bad boys. The off-white blazer, the AKA the Grim Reapers, however you want to call it, that's the name for these. The other ones were called like the Hallows Eve. These are the Halloween pack. I'm not sure how many came. I think it was just the 2, this colorway, and then like that pumpkin orange one that looked pretty cool too, man. But these are fire, bro. In any size, these shoes look good. I think the pumpkin splash ones, the Halloween ones, look a lot better with smaller sizes. I've seen a lot of girls out there copping a pair and they weren't reselling them, my nigga. They were actually keeping them. These are fire though. They have this like type of netting on the outside of the shoe. This has netting, mesh, no, netting, suede, and leather. The inside panel has leather here and suede on here. Suede along where the laces go at too, man. These shoes are pretty dope. Let me go ahead. Actually, these shoes ain't pretty dope. They're actually pretty fire. They added a great touch to the blazers for Nike, and I think they definitely made it something worth trying to cop or get your hands on. Let me get this other shoe out the box really quick, because this is what everybody likes about them. This is what everybody likes about them. This little zip tie. This one's actually a blue one. I guess the other ones are usually white or orange or red or something like that. This is the first time with, I believe, the blue, sky blue zip tie, which a lot of people like. Both of them have the off-white branding on the inside of the shoe. The remedial side of the shoe, I think that's what the term is. The remedial side of the shoe has the off-white branding. You see the Nike check that goes, it's a really big Nike check that's hard to miss throughout the whole shoe, and it's connected all the way around. Perfect situation going on here. Inside has, or the tongue has some orange stitching to go with the orange pull tab, which is like the signature off-white color. They always add that little speckle of orange, like construction orange. I guess that's the name of it, right? Has the Nike tab with the Nike check on the tongue also to match the orange lacing around, or the orange stitching, excuse me, the orange stitching around the tongue. The inside has the off-white symbol there, if you guys can see. These shoes are dope, man. I'm not too sure what these numbers on the back represent. Maybe just like a barcode for anything else that you purchase. Maybe it's just some type of hint they have. If you guys have details or information on that in the comment section, let me know. what these numbers right here on the back mean. It does come with some extra laces, which this is the thing that I was concerned about because I got some extra white laces. Let me see. But I saw one person had white and black. So there are white laces that say, I guess, shoe laces on them. Plus they have the black ones that come with it. But I think I've seen a third pair. I think somebody had a black lace with white writing on it, as opposed to these with the black with the gray writing. But I don't know. Let me know if that's maybe select sizes, select shoes. But I only had the one extra lace, which is the white and orange hint. Let me know what you guys know about that. Anyway, these shoes are dope. Have the Nike on the back of the shoe. Pretty dope, like engraved in there in the suede panel. Like I said, there's leather as well as suede on the shoe. And then on the outside of the shoe, there's this mesh, this gray mesh that makes it seem like it could be a breathable shoe, but this is definitely not no shoe for hooping or playing any type of sports. This is definitely something to step out and you know, flex a little bit on people who like to be flexed on, or flex if you're a person who likes to be flexed, or just rock them for something, for whatever you like to use them for, man. I don't know. These shoes are fire in my opinion. I want to know your true thoughts and opinions on these bad boys. We're gonna get up close and personal details on them if you guys want to see a better look at these shoes in a 4K visual. And there will be no on feet because I do not want to un-DS these. These are going up on GOAT and eBay as we speak. So if you guys are looking for a pair, these are a size 13, my typical size. Just go ahead and either hit me up in the comments, or go ahead and check out my eBay page. There's a link to that in the description box below, or just go look for me on GOAT, man. But these shoes are dope. I was pleasantly surprised to go ahead and win the raffle. It kind of got me juiced and got the juices flowing. So now I will be entering in a lot of raffles because I don't know, I just feel like I got a good little feeling with that. I think I got a good little vibe. If you go ahead and fill out the raffle ticket and don't even worry about the shoe, you might win. That's what I did. I filled out the raffle ticket and didn't even sweat it. I actually thought the day passed and thought I didn't win them. I'm out there making a video for some other shoes and get this email like, ding, Bossco, come on down here to Silver Lake, we got your pair. I'm like, okay, cool. So now it's just about playing the game. I'm closer to all these spots, these baits, these undefeateds, all these stores. So I might as well take advantage of that. So hopefully you guys will be seeing a lot more exclusive content like this, more limited sneakers, as well as the GRs. We're still gonna keep it going like we always do, but I want to bring you guys the best of the best. And I know there's a lot of sneaker YouTubers out there around the world, around the country, and I just want to be able to bring you guys quality to make you guys come back, man. Thank you for everybody who is subscribed. We had like 4,300 almost. Like I was saying, my battery cut out or whatever. We have 4,300 subscribers, on our way to 43,000 with your help. Just subscribe, tell your friends, share the videos, and without, sooner or later we're gonna keep growing, we're gonna keep getting there. I appreciate all the support. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these shoes. And yeah, that's about it, man. Thank you for watching, man. It's your boy Bossco. Have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace. I want to take this time to thank you guys for watching the video once again. Hopefully you guys made it all the way to the end. If you did, comment a off-white or comment a basketball or something emoji at the end to let me know you made it all the way to the end of the video. I appreciate your support. Like I said before, we about to grind. Follow me on everything, man. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, Cash App, whatever it is. All the information is in the description box below. Without further ado, I'm out as always. You have a great day wherever you are in the universe. Peace.